Well, here I am again under the M37. This time here, if you can see that mess down there. Let me stick some more light on it. I'll do this one-handed again. Alright. See those bolts there? They were totally covered with dirt and grease. You couldn't even tell they were bolts. There's an adjustment for adjusting these brakes under there, so you got to get to those so that you can adjust the brakes. And so I've been playing with that right now, scraping all that out of there, trying to get that cleaned up enough so you can get stuff to move. And so another fun job. And then while I'm under here, took a look at the rear end. There's the rear end. It had a bunch of dirt and grease on it. I was trying to clean all the dirt and grease away from the yoke in the back. So yeah, I have another fun day underneath the truck again, cleaning up what I can and trying to get some of the stuff ready to go. But yeah, it's you can see this thing is a pretty big mess under here. So it's still going to take me a while to clean it all up. But that's what I'm doing right now. Having all kinds of fun under here. So I'll talk to you guys later.